Kaayayang araw guys! So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a Bento mom. I make fun and creative lunchboxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So happy hump day guys! It's the Wednesday today and we are now on day 3 of our series for this week, which are classic Halloween characters. So last Monday, we made a witch bento. There's a screen. And then yesterday, we made jack-o'-lantern bento. And so for today, we're gonna do another very easy Halloween character because today is another day na face-to-face classes si Zion. So we need something that's very easy to prepare. Again, you can do this one in less than 10 minutes. And the ingredients for this bento character, we only need 2 ingredients. So, as you have seen in the title, today we're gonna be doing a ghost bento. So, let's check out the ingredients. So, for today guys, we're gonna be doing another classic Halloween character, which is a ghost. So, we're gonna be doing a ghost bento. Ayan. And this is very easy because we only have 2 ingredients for this one. So we need plain white rice and just the nori sheet for details. So the first thing that we need to do is to get our cling wrap so that we can mold the rice. Yeah. So we'll get a portion of our rice. Actually, this is around 3 to 4 tablespoons, I think, because I want to create a ghost bento that has a twist. So I'll show you later. That's why medyo madami yung ating rice. So we're gonna be doing a very big ghost. Okay? So just wrap the rice inside the cling wrap. And then, as I always say, make sure to just make it compact and make them stick together. And the shape that we want to create is the shape of a ghost. So looks like a teardrop shape, like that. There. So this is the shape that you want to create, right? So we're gonna make the ghost chunky because what we're gonna do is we're gonna impress a circle shape here para maging mouth ng ghost. So this is just a twist. But if you want to do the ghost bento like this, as is, with this shape, that's fine. And then you can just put the nori details here. But for today, I'm gonna be doing a different take on the ghost. So I got here this mold. This is actually a puto mold or a rice cake mold. So any circle shape that you have there sa house, which you can press here sa ating molded rice, will do. Okay, so we just need to make it chunky because what we're gonna do is basically push this one here against the molded rice so that you can create a hollow na hole here. So it will serve as the mouth of the ghost. Okay? There. So this is what we want to achieve. Yan. And then I'll show you later what we will be doing with this one. But this is basically gonna be the mouth of the ghost, right? So this is the shape that we want to create. Okay, so for the details, we just need nori here and we'll get a small portion. So we'll just cut 2 circle shapes for the eyes, right? So just fold it first so that when you cut the circle shape, then you're gonna have 2 circle shapes already. So just fold the nori first before you cut it. There. So this is gonna be the eyes of the ghost. So we're gonna put it here. Okay? So that's basically what we need because we already have the mouth. Technically, this hollow part here will be the mouth. And then we just need to get some candy sprinkles for the cheeks. Okay. So I got this one online, again from Shopee. And we're just gonna be using the pink na candy sprinkles. So it's like a candy sprinkle but it's round shape. Yeah, so we're just gonna get those pink na circles. So it's gonna look like this. Yan. There. So this is candy. It's like hardened na icing. Yan. Okay, so we'll now put the ice here. Then another one here. And then the pink na candies, we're just gonna put it here so that it's gonna be the like the cheek of the ghost. There. So we can use 2 more white naman. If you don't have this, by the way, that's fine. You can just use nori as is. But this is just to give you an idea what you can explore, okay? When you're creating your bento boxes or bento characters. So I got 2 of the white candies, and then I'll just put it here sa ice. There. Let's set this one aside, okay? Now, Zion's ulam for today is luncheon meat. And what I'm gonna do with the luncheon meat, so I'll cut one luncheon meat into small pieces. Right? So, we'll get one luncheon meat and then we'll cut it into cube or square shapes. We want to get our ghost na molded rice, okay, here. And then we just want to put this one inside the mouth of the ghost. There. So we are now ready to put this one in our bento box. But we'll set it aside because we're gonna slice some cucumbers. So this is for vegetables, Zion. What I did was just get this top part of the cucumber. I sliced it. This one. Okay? And then slice ko lang siya ng thin. We're gonna create a ghost out of this cucumber. So what we just want to do is just cut yung ilalim niya, okay, into zigzag. There. There. So we'll just cut all no ating cucumber first. There. And then we just need to get a straw. So here, and then you can just press it here to create the eyes. Yan. Then there. So do this for all the slices of cucumber. And then for the mouth, we want to just slowly press it para lang maging oblong shape siya. And then, do the same. Pero kung circle pa din siya, okay lang din. There. So, we now have these ghost na cucumbers. Another Halloween lunchbox idea. We're also gonna do the same for our luncheon meat. So, yung isang luncheon meat, I just cut it in the middle and then I just use scissors to shape it into like sort of a half na oval shape. So we're gonna do the same for our luncheon meat. So we have 4 here. So just get your knife and then just do the same. So cut zigzag lines underneath the shape you created. There. So easy, right? If you don't want to do these shapes for your food items, that's also fine. But this is just me giving you an idea what else you can do. So there, we're finished cutting and then we'll get our straw. We'll just press it to create the eyes. Then we'll do the mouth. There's the mouth. Last one. There. So we have cute little ghosts na luncheon meat and cucumber slices. So we're now ready to put this in our bento box. Okay? We're using the Yum Box tapas again because this has big compartments. So this is much bigger than the Yum Box Panino. That's why I like this. But I only have one color. So kung nakikita nyo, paulit-ulit ko siyang ginagamit because I really love this. It's very big. Okay. So I lined it already with a Halloween theme na cooking sheet. So this is what I use. And then I have lettuce here. I just want to line the other compartments with lettuce. So again guys, this tutorial is just to basically teach you how to do this onigiri. Ang tawag dito kasi, their molded rice is onigiri in Japanese. So this is just me teaching you how to create this character. But for the side dishes, this is just to give you an idea. Again, you can use whatever food item you want sa inyong bento boxes. Alright? So, we'll put the ghost bento character first here. There you go. For the dessert design, I have here banana cake. Again, guys, when you are doing your kids' baons, make sure that your hands are clean, okay? So this is homemade. And then here we have banana. Lastly, our bento picks. We'll just spell out boo. Okay. And then here sa banana natin ay yung ghost na bento pick. For our ghost, lagyan lang natin siya ng witch hat. Yeah. So, this is our finished product. Ta-da! So, that's it guys for our bento creation for today. I hope you enjoyed what we did. If you enjoyed, please like and share this video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye!